in a while, right in the middle of an ordinary life, love gives us a fairy tale. And nothing describes this event more to me than this quote. It was absolutely a dream come true. Like this princess themed birthday party, in my opinion, is every little girl's dream. And I enjoy pulling together every single detail that I'm going to be sharing with you guys today. So, if you're here for the very first time, hi everyone, it's Melanie from Living Luxuriously for Less. And here we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a princess themed birthday party that turned out absolutely incredible. Many of my team members say that this was some of our best work ever. I think that the love and the detail that went into this event really separated it from all the rest. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my thoughts and ideas behind the design concept, behind what my client wanted for this particular event. I'll be sharing a lot of the sourcing for the materials that you see used here, and I cannot wait. I'm so excited. I have been really chomping at the bits to share this video with you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So stay tuned and be sure to leave me a comment at the end of this video and let me know which aspects of it that you like most. So for starters, I absolutely love this color palette. As you guys see here, there's a lot of color blocking going on with the flowers, matching the tables, matching the plates. I just love the soft colors and the soft elements. The client definitely wanted the characters to have a little melanin because representation was very important for her daughter. And for the chairs, she wanted them to be very elegant and sophisticated. So I purchased these chair sashes from eFavorMart. I will leave the link down below. And if you guys are interested in a tutorial on how to do these, how to weave these through your chairs, leave me a comment down below. But I thought they turned out absolutely gorgeous. They reminded me of a ball gown, you know, sweeping through a beautiful banquet hall. I absolutely love, the way that they turned out. They were very easy to do, and they just made such an impact. For the everyday design, for the adult tables, I decided to color block their tables as well. We use this crinkle taffeta tablecloth from eFavorMart. I loved it because it was classy and sophisticated, very sleek, and I also loved it because it was not labor intensive, so meaning you didn't have to iron it a lot. I got it in yellow and blue and in pink, and I also got the crinkle taffeta napkins in every color except the yellow, and I used the satin for that. For the florals, I wanted to accent the low florals with these beautiful candelabra stands and the vases from the Dollar Tree. So you can definitely visit them, dollartree.com, and make sure you order online, because once you order in bulk, you can use the boxes to store. You can also get your chargers and your wine glasses from there as well. And I got the beautiful bling from totallydazzled.com. You guys, they had an amazing Black Friday sale, so be sure to check them out for future sales. I will be sure to leave their link below as well. Now, I wanted to do the color blocking as I was telling you guys before, so we kept it really consistent with each table. I used the bling, I used different types of bling on each table, so I just felt like it just looked so good. The crinkle taffeta against the bling just looked so elegant and sleek and sophisticated. I decided not to do a full table setting due to COVID, so we had those things wrapped up and on the buffet for the guests as they came around. For the dessert area, we decided to do a suspended balloon garland. Sharonda did an amazing job with this, and of course, Rachel always nails my desserts. I actually just gave her the theme, and she just went ham, you guys, with these Rice Krispie Pops, the Oreo chocolate covered Oreos, the cookies. She also added the melanin in the princes and the cookies as well. And then, of course, my friend Felicia did an amazing job with the florals. We had cupcakes, and I'm telling you guys, it was just so beautiful. I did love the exposed brick on this wall, and I felt like the juxtaposition of the brick, being exposed and the rusticness of it just really added so much to the dessert area and made it just look really different. It popped against all the white, so I decided not to drape off that black wall because it just looked really good in the photos against the desserts and everything. So the columns, I ordered those from one of my friends that were selling them on Facebook. It was a set of 5, and I just thought they just looked really, really, really good, and I could not wait to use them. So this was my first time actually using them. For the kids area, I just wanted to create some type of activity for the kids that would be fun. So I got these little cute kits from the Dollar Tree, and then I had the easels that I got on clearance a very long time ago from Hobby Lobby. Absolutely adorable. And as you guys can see, on either side of the room, I color blocked. So I had a blue table on the left, a blue table on the right, because I love to add balance and, symmetry to a design. It just makes it look that much better. Trust me on that, you guys. So I absolutely love that. And then for the florals, we did incorporate all 3 colors. So here you see an antique dresser. I got it off of Facebook Marketplace. Facebook Marketplace is your friend, you guys. So I had it painted and changed the knobs on it, and then we had this little princess carriage that was super cute for like taking pictures and props and things like that. And then I also had these custom gable boxes made for Princess Callie, and inside it was filled with all types of royal treats, and I just thought that was so much fun. Now inside of the drawers were like t-shirts for all of the kids, so we just put like one size in each drawer, and of course I changed the knobs to bling them out, and I just thought they looked so adorable. And then after the event, I donated this to the mom, so she was making over her room into a big girl's room, and so I thought that would look super cute there. And then we just added these oversized balloons for like some added dimension and height and color, but again I left the wall exposed. On the high boy tables, we had more painting sets because we wanted to keep the kids distant, and so we did that. We did not paint on top of the white tablecloths, so don't get worried. We actually covered them with some plastic tablecloths from the Dollar Tree, and everything turned out absolutely amazing. The kids got to pick what they wanted to paint, and if you guys are interested in like adding a paint activity to your party, these were from the Dollar Tree, and it included like the paint, it included the picture, and the paintbrush, and so you got all 3 for $1. And I thought that was good. We also had like a custom canvas done as well, but to get the younger kids geared up into painting, we used the ones from the Dollar Tree because we didn't want to mess up the canvas ones before they got familiar with painting. So they had so much fun. That was one of the activities they were able to do. They were able to have fun. It kept them busy, and it kept them distant. We the kids together by their households, and so they were able to paint in groups, and then each one of them had their own brushes and their own paint, so they didn't have to worry about passing it around. So that really worked out well for everyone. So I wanted to just kind of go through everything again. You guys see here how I wrap the napkin around the plate. I do have a video on different napkin folds, and if you guys are interested in that, let me know and I will link that down below. So on the backdrop, I know I get so many questions on backdrop. This is a very simple backdrop. I've shown you guys how to do this one in a previous video, and then we just hung the portraits above the other dessert table area along with these asymmetrical flowers, gorgeous cake, and then we had florals coming out of the drawer as well. It was just kind of a focal point, and it turned out absolutely amazing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're interested in any of the things you see here, I will link as much as I can down in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for all of your continuous and unwavering support. I am so thankful for each and every one of you. I would love to hear what you guys would like to see next from me, like over Vlogmas. So let me know down in the comments what type of video you would like to see me do for Vlogmas. Thank you again so much for watching, and until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!